So welcome back to the channel. I just got back from testing the bike. So I tested it because I put some chain sliders. On the last video, I was mentioning that I needed chain guards. When I went to Honda, they said it's chain sliders. So correction. So unfortunately, they don't have the sliders available. And if I do order it from them, it's gonna take about a month before it arrives, and I'm not willing to wait for that long. So it's a DIY chain slider, and I did some research, and the most slipperiest material is BAM, which I really don't know, and the second one is Teflon. Fortunately, I have Teflon in my garage, so I made one from Teflon. It started as a cylinder Teflon, about, I don't know, a meter or so, and I just cut it into shape temporarily. I made it a little bit short so I can just make it as quick, easy, and as possible. But later on, if I do believe that it does its job, then I'm gonna make a longer one. I even shaped it with some rails on top, and then I even put those, like a nipple that goes into a hole so it won't slide from front to back, and then I clipped it with some metal I found in the tools, which I believe is from IKEA. So the bike is totally custom now. So it's a custom bike now. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video on how I made the sliders, and please do look at the video on how the slider performed, because I took a video of it, and hope you like it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.